Everyone, today I was so hungry. I thought maybe I should order some food and eat. So I called a couple of restaurants to pick up, but nobody has answered their phone call. In fact, it happened for 3 to 5 restaurants. So I imagine what it could be. It could be the waiters could be really busy, the host can be really busy, the kitchen will be really busy preparing the food. So because of that, I thought maybe I should bring a solution for this problem. Because as an AI creator, I have created a project to solve this problem. I will show you step by step.
Hi, thanks for calling. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. What would you like to order today?
Do you guys have tacos in your menu?
Yes, we do. Tacos are $3 each. How many would you like?
Can I have 5 tacos?
Perfect, 5 tacos. Anything else?
That's it?
Great. So that's 5 tacos for $15. Will that be pickup or delivery?
I would like to pick up.
Perfect. What's your name?
Ravi?
Thanks, Robbie. And what's your phone number?
It's 984-895-9582.
Got it. So to confirm, 5 tacos for pickup. Name is Robbie. Phone number 98489599582. Your order is in. You'll get a text confirmation shortly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for calling Demo Restaurant.
Hi, let me show the complete framework that I've been building. First, I will go from step by step. The Twilio that goes to Vapi Claude, and then the FastAPI, the brain routing, and then it goes to the kitchen and the SMS part. After this, what is Twilio? Let me show you the Twilio. The Twilio is actually where you buy a separate phone numbers. Like if you go and search in the Twilio console is like this. It has got some lot of phone numbers where you can buy phone numbers. And I've purchased 2 phone numbers, 6594. Another one is just one. And in this, you can make some voice. But I haven't done registration yet. That will be a separate stuff that I have to do, which I will show you later. But how do you buy those numbers? That you can go here and search it, and then you will have different phone numbers. Each you'll have to pay $1 or $2. After that, you'll have to load up $10 to place some calls, which is okay, reasonable calls. You don't have to pay a huge amount. Just you buy those phone numbers. This is how you buy the number. I'm just showing what is Twilio so that you will have an idea. The next one would be Vapi. Vapi is a brain where you have to connect the phone number, the Twilio number that I've bought. In this, this is where you make the voice agent. What kind of voice agents you want? I've got 2 voice agent. One is the restaurant order, and then you give the prompt, first message, and then you type the system prompt like you're a phone ordering assistant for demo restaurant. So you'll have to give your menu. I've given tacos, burrito, quesadilla, chips, and salsa. So I've placed ours, and I've given an address just to create a voice. So this is where you have the Deepgram, and you'll have the 11 labs. Those are all voice creators. They create AI voice agents. So they inbuilt, they have different assistants that you can create. So you'll have to create a Twilio number, then you'll have to import that Twilio number to the Vapi. So the Vapi kicks in, and after that, you'll have to go to the Square. Square is like a POS. Inside a kitchen, if you see, once you place the order inside the kitchen, in the restaurant takes the order, it's not that the host goes inside and write it and give it to the kitchen. It doesn't happen like that. In this current situation, it doesn't happen like that. It's like an automatic. POS is like a point of sale where it's like a software. Once you place the order to the kitchen, you'll have to type and then send the message, and it goes as a ticket to the kitchen, and the kitchen staffs like the chef and all that who takes the ticket and place it, and then they make the order. So in here we have got 3 people who play like the Square, Toast, and Clover. So I picked up the Square developer because it's easy to create a sandbox and access token. In place of Toast and Clover, you'll have to go and send them a mail saying like, I'm a developer, I need to create an API keys, stuff like that. So it's like a back and forth. They will see really a business guys who really into this kind of business like voice agent stuff like that. So you'll have to prove them. So it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to place the order. So to get the API keys. But Square developers has given is I'm just using this to create a demo for my voice agent. In future, if I wanted to create some business, this actually can be a business where you can go to the restaurant and you can show this, and if they like the product, they will pay you every month, $300, $400 subscription. You can make a lot of money on this. If you get 10 restaurant, the restaurant pays $300 every month subscriptions, you can make about $3,000 every month. It's like a business where you can create a cash flow business, I would say. I'm kind of in the process of doing this, so I'm just showing it to everybody. This is one of the cool projects that I've made. So after this, let me show. After this, the message goes to the sandbox, and where the message kicks in, and it goes to the kitchen. And after the kitchen, then you get that information in the demo restaurant which I've created in Apple. Airtable is like a CRM, and it's like also a Google Sheet, mostly a CRM, I would say. You can get all that information. So once all the information goes in, then the information goes to the voice agent. I've placed multiple orders in different names like Priya, Marcus, Aisha Ragman, and Emily Chen, Diago, Martini. So these are all just mock tests that I've made, but I'm surprised to see that all this information is being stored here. So this is like once is like information that you can database that you can store every day. When people make call, it automatically goes here and stores some information. Now, you can ask me a question: how do I get this in order? How can I automate it? This is where the magic really happens. I have made a different projects where I can show. If you see this project, these are all the folders that I made where you have a Python codes added to it and different API keys which is stored into it. So you don't have to go deep into it, this coding. This I will show you later. We can develop that with the help of multiple LLMs that we have like Claude, ChatGPT, stuff like that. So yep, I showed the project folders that I've created. So I don't get confused seeing all these projects folders because it might be too intimidated sometime. I guess for me it happened anyway. But I will show you exactly how I created. I did get help because I'm not from a technical background. So I need some help to learn this technical stuff. How do I learn this stuff? By getting help from LLM because that's a brain. So what is the brain that I have used is Claude Code because through this Claude Code, I have made, it's not like, or a magic that I make this project. It doesn't work like that. You have to create skills and we have to create a framework and a completely architecture. So I built this by Claude Code. This I will put a separate video maybe what is Claude Code and what does Claude Cowork does and Claude Code, which is all developed by Anthropic. So I will put a separate video and explain you. But before that, I will show you how it really happened, how to start this app. I've built so much of coding work is done, so let me not show that. It might be really confusing, but I will show you the end, what really happened, how to get it live, the project. So you have to start the app. The app is somewhere live, right? So we'll have to start the app by terminal. You go to the Windows Power and then you paste these keys and then you press enter. And after that, our project will go, project app will start. So it's like an app. Think like I've built an app for a voice agent. So once you go, project is started, the app started, then we'll have to go back to, we'll have to make the app live. So we are just creating a simple dummy live because we don't have to create a project. So we'll have to create a small live through ngrok. Ngrok is something where you can create some live where you can go. So I am creating a port HTTP 8000 through this port. I'm going live. So now my ngrok is live. So actually our ngrok has made some error because I've already made so much of online. I have created an online grok. So I'm just trying to show that to you because and that way it is showing some error, which is already live because I've created 3 times live. So for you to show for the YouTube purpose. So that might be the reason it's showing an error. It shows limited to 3 simultaneous ngrok agents. Sorry about that. Let me close this and we'll go our live already. So we'll go back to this one and maybe we'll go to Claude and we'll type HTTP. See, our app is live right now. So once it is live, then we can go back to Claude Code and tell them our app is live. So I think we'll have to work. Now that we have created a phone number and it's completely live, let's go and make a phone call to this number.
Thank you for calling Demo Restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're having a wonderful day. How can I help you today?
Can I have
Looking to place an order?
1 margarita and 2 garlic knots for pickup, please?
I'd love to help you with that. Let me clarify a couple of margarita pizza. We do have that on our menu for $14. Garlic nard fajita. I don't see anything like that on the menu. The closest thing we have is our garlic nard for 6.50.
Let's do
Works for you.
let's do the garlic
And
knots.
perfect. Just to confirm, that would be one margarita pizza, $14. Two garlic nuts, $13. Does that sound right?
Yes.
And can I also get your name, phone number, and whether you'd like pickup or delivery?
Ravi, pick up
Great, Ravi. And what's your phone number?
Yes.
Got it, Ravi. And could I get your phone number as well?
877-606-6594.
Perfect. So let me read your full order back to you. One margarita pizza, 14. Two garlic, 13. Total, 27. Pickup order for Ravi at 877-606-6594. Does anything look correct?
Correct.
Hold on a sec. Perfect. Let me place that order for you right now.
Thank you.
Your order is all set, Robbie. You're welcome, Robbie. Eat your $1 for the bag of pizza. At two garlic and it's not. Because you burned and you need to make you the jam. You can pick it up at 315 and Academy Street, Cary, NC. We look forward to seeing you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Thank you so much. You have a good rest of your day. I'll see you soon. So now let's go back to having placed an order and someone just picked up and they have taken my order. Now the restaurant business has got some business. So let me go and get the confirmation from the ad table because that's the database, right? And go and check that in ad table. If I placed an order, it should be there. It should be in the demo restaurant. There you go. I told you. It is there. Ravi, margarita pizza, 2 garlic nut, and the phone number, confirmed order, everything. Boom. There you go. And this is what that I've created as a project. I'm so happy to be showing that to you and hope you learn from this video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my demo video and the AI agents that I make, the cool projects that I do. I love to show that to you and I love to get more information from you. Is there anything that I have to correct or is there anything that I have to change? Or I would love to get your feedback and hope to do more projects in future. And I wanted to show that to you and wanted to make more people learn AI, get an awareness of about where the world goes and where this AI is really going, and it's creating a greater impact for people, it's creating more business for people out there. So I'm so excited and I'm so thrilled to learn and build, and I'm repeating it again and again. So this is my mantra: you just build, learn and repeat. So I'm doing exactly the framework. I hope to teach you that framework to you in more recent videos, that I will show more how to create more financial freedom. Maybe my next video would be that I will show you, and I read few books and I've got more information about that, and I will share that to you in following videos. Thank you so much.